Hey everybody, this is Deepak here again, and today I have the Hyperice Hypervolt. Okay, so that's a quick start menu there, and we have the manual here. Let's check it out what it is inside. There's not much, it's just gonna be about the brand and the way how you can use this Hypervolt. Okay, so this brand is an American brand, and they have freaking different kind of amazing percussion related products. So here we have the charger. It's a decent barrel charger. Okay, and then let's follow through with the device. Now we have different heads, like it does come with 5 different heads, 4 in separate location and 1 still attached to the device. So the main idea of these different types of heads are to trigger a percussion massage in different parts of your body. So please do follow the website properly to get the best out of all and each and every heads. Now the thing is, the flat heads, what it comes with it, so that's the button. At the bottom there is on and off button. Okay, so we just press it on, then the lights is lit on. Then this is the first. It comes in 3 different modes of speed. So that's the first speed, that's the second, and that's the third. So it's a different kind of RPM, like let's say it's called PSI. Maximum it does is 3200. Okay, and then the thing is, this model is a 60 watt model. There is another which is called Hypervolt Plus, that's black in color, that has 90 watt wattage, 90 watt wattage output, but the PSI is still the same, 3200 max. So that's it. So this is pretty much what we have here. It is a, let's say, a chiropractic thing, must used by the chiropractors. You can use it at home, but do follow the guidelines from the website hyperice.com to use it in the best way possible.